Welcome fellas into this new video of TechExpress. Today let's check out the Adobe Acrobat. This is for if you work with documents, work with PDFs. This application is a complete solution for handling these files. It lets you do far more than just viewing them. So this tutorial will break you down the three most important functions you needed to master in Adobe Acrobat. So creating a preferred PDF, editing text and images directly, and organizing pages and merging documents. So the first thing, for example, is to create an actual PDF. To create an actual PDF, what you can do is to go to the Tools tab into the toolbar that you can see here into the upper section that says Tools, right? So directly here is going to be appearing all of these elements, but what you can do is to click into the option that says Create a PDF space. Basically, you can choose to convert a single file, multiple files, scanned documents, and so much more. Then what you can do is to select your file, click into open, and Acrobat instantly converts it and preserving the format exactly. This is to ensure what you see is what your recipient sees. You have now here, for example, I'm going to close, for example, the AI assistants. We don't need this right now. Basically, what you can do, just a quick tip, you can also print the PDF from any application by choosing the Adobe PDF as your printer, right? So I'm going to close this element. Let's see that we have this actual file. This PDF, I wanted to edit the text and the images, for example. This is where Adobe shines, because what you can do is when you open your PDF and clicking the tools, choose to edit the PDF when you click directly here where it says edit, right? To handle visuals, click into the add image and into the edit toolbar, you can insert a new image. For example, here it says add content. I go for add an image and you click into the option that says start right now. I'm going to close this element. I'm going to hit into, for example, this add content. And what you can do is to where it says text, you can add a different text. Let's say, for example, overlaying your actual image directly in here. If you're working with a scanned document, which in this case, it is something like it, Adobe Acrobat would automatically run the OCR, usually called as the optical character recognition, to make the text editable. But you may need to check the text for accuracy. Now, right now, we currently don't have an actual active plan for Adobe Acrobat, so this means that this won't let us, let's say, scan or edit this actual file unless we do have an actual active plan for us. But basically, this tutorial I'm going to be showing you, we are actually showing you the actual tools and the elements that you can do directly here into Adobe Acrobat when you have access directly to the application. So therefore, you can do it on your own. Something else that you can do, for example, is to organize and combine. For larger reports or portfolios, you need to manage your pages. So when you clicked into the tools, as I just clicked directly in here, you have the organization of all the pages. You can edit the text and the images. You can generate an actual summary of quickly understanding your documents, navigating the key sections, generate summary, and combine even files. Something that is going to be really amazing to organize your actual pages. So you can also use the top menu to easily delete pages, rotate them, or insert new pages from another file, or even an actual blank page. So something else, for example, is the fill and design, where you can add your own signature just hitting directly in here. You have the actual type. Key into the option that says save, and automatically your sign will be appearing in them. So what you just need to do is just to drag and drop directly into the PDF, and it will be appearing directly into your content. And you can just make this smaller, bigger, whatever. Let's say, for example, that I just type here my sign here, or put it directly in here, and there we go, right? You can add more text if you wanted to. There's more tools that you can do. You'll see the thumbnail view of every page, for example. You can even hit into the option that says convert files, so you can convert this from PDF or from even compressed PDF files, right? And lastly, for example, if you needed to merge documents, you can click into the combine files, drag your files, Word documents, add images into the windows, and click into the combine. So Acrobat handles the actual rest. So I'm going to close this element. You have now checked out the e-sign, for example. Here into tools, I'm going to click directly here into the actual tools. I'm going to show you something else called the deletion of the pages. So when you choose the option that says remove the pages, what's going to happen here is going to be checking out the pages of all the actual PDF file. And what you can do now is to stop by checking out which image you don't want to see anymore. So if you already know which is the PDF you don't want to see inside the element, just select it and hit for delete. And there we go, just like that. Just hit into the option that says save the changes, and the file will be automatically saved. Once you have done all of your editing elements directly here into the PDF, what you can do now is to hit into the option that says share here into the upper right corner. When you fit it directly in here, you can just use an actual link to send this actual PDF to somebody else. Or what you can do is to hit into the three dots, and what you can do is to save an actual copy or download this specific file to your desktop, and you're actually good to go. So by mastering these core functions, creating, editing, organizing, you can handle virtually any PDF task. So which feature of Adobe Acrobat you need to use and you think we didn't capture into this tutorial, you can let me know in the comments below. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools of Adobe and more application guides. Hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you next time.